At Bridgestone, we're built for first and designed to last. We're always looking for new ways to develop products that deliver premium performance and promote sustainable value. That's why we are always working to source more renewable and recycled materials for our tires. To do that in the near term, one approach we take is using the mass balance method. Here's how it works. We purchase renewable and recycled materials, as well as fossil-based and mined materials from our suppliers. We work with a certified third party to track and verify all our renewable and recycled materials and audit our entire supply chain annually. The renewable, recycled, fossil, and mined materials are mixed in a complex supply chain and manufacturing process to make our tires. Because of this complexity and the limited availability of certain materials, we can't guarantee the exact amount of renewable or recycled content in each individual tire. But by using mass balance, we can increase our sourcing of renewable and recycled content, reduce our reliance on virgin fossil-based and mined materials, and maintain the high performance you expect from Bridgestone tires. This also increases market demand, encouraging suppliers to produce more renewable and recycled materials. Mass balance isn't the final destination, but it's a critical bridge to help us drive change today. Alongside it, Bridgestone is investing in different technologies and partnerships to help bring more renewable and recycled materials to market, so that we can continue to deliver high-performing, sustainably focused solutions that win for society and our customers. Because that's what really matters.